Okay, let's start with this. Limited inventory, multiple offers, and bidding wars. Of course you're nervous about selling your home. Who wouldn't be with this current real estate market that we're in now, right? Tons of questions in regards to, okay, how am I gonna find my replacement home? Where would I go if I do sell my home in this current market? What happens if we can't even find our replacement home in this market? Maybe you're curious, if you couldn't find a home, would you still have to sell the current home you're living in? That's completely understandable, right? Because we're talking to sellers daily, and of course you're nervous. This is your home. This is where you live, right? Hi, I'm Diante Lawrence, your real estate go-to, and the good news is there are solutions. More than one, in fact, okay? But what I found with meeting with so many families is, depending on your unique situation, will determine the course of action and strategy I can advise you guys on. Asking questions like, do you need to sell now? Do you have a place to rent? Do you have family to stay with? What location are you looking to move in? Why are you looking to sell, right? The bottom line is, it varies from family to family, and it's important that we have that conversation so we can, once again, plot out, strategize what is gonna work best for you. The good news is, guys, though, there are solutions to just about every scenario, okay? So do me a favor, reach out to me. You'll see my contact information here. I would love to sit down with you and your family, navigate, strategize, and see how we can make this happen for you, okay? And I need you to remember one thing, all right? In real estate, there are only two people that can get you exactly what you want, okay? That's D and you, all right?